sorry, go now.
Oh, sorry, you didn't get 14 hours of sleep.
Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Severus
Dumbledore! Come on, yours is.
Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Severus Snape.
Hermione.
You're not singing Ron Weasley loud
Hermione.
enough.
Hermione.
Ron Weasley. Ron Weasley.
Severus.
What's Hermione?
Dumbledore.
Hermione.
Hermione.
It's really like,
Hermione. Hermione.
what is it?
I thought it was like Snape. Snape.
Harry Potter.
Harry Potter. Oh, I'm Harry Potter. Ooh, yeah, that's me. That's me.
That's you, that's you.
I'm Harry Potter. Harry Potter.
Snape. Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Snape. Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Snape. Severus Snape.
Dumbledore! Come on, guys!
I don't know when to join in.
Snape.
Ron. Ron. Ron Weasley. Ron. Ron. Ron Weasley. I don't know Hermione. Hermione. Hermione.
Yellow dynamite.
Singing our song all day long at Hogwarts. Hey, Alicia.
Yeah?
I found the source of the mysterious ticking noise.
What is it?
It was a pipe bomb.
Yeah.
Yay!